Okay, we're standing next to mustard here, and a lot of us are used to seeing any number of non-native mustards on Santa Cruz Island that have these big yellow flowers on them, and a lot of us think just off first looking at it that it's all black mustard. It probably isn't. We're in June when we're doing this video, and if you see something like this in bloom, you're probably dealing with the short-potted mustard, not black mustard. Black mustard is Brassica nigra. It's an annual that sends up a mostly straight stalk that then blooms, turning California hillsides yellow, usually happening in March or April, and then it drops the seed and dies. And then the stalks are just left kind of dead looking. But here we are, as I say, in June, and we've got a blooming mustard. And in this case, we can be reasonably sure that it's actually the short-lived perennial called short-potted mustard, or Hirschfeldia incana. The other clue to that is these rather dramatic branching here. It's coming out with a lot of lateral branches. There's a lot of other details that if you got out a botany book and looked at the fruits on it, the little pods, and how many, and from that you could determine for sure which is which. But I think the easiest things for beginners is to just realize that this late in the season, the mustard you're seeing around is not black mustard. Black mustard is a much more early blooming plant that dies back fairly early. Of course, there's some overlap, so that I can't necessarily help you with. Be quite takeover plants if given the chance. They'll be invasive and move into an area and push out the natives. But for the most part, they love these roadsides and other disturbed areas.